Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm dropping another impromptu review on y'all. And here we are, back in the backyard again, messing with the pool, trying to get the pool clear and everything. Just doing my due diligence, you know, letting the pool filter and cleaning out the cartridges. But to make my job a little easier, I found another product. I know if you check, you know, my videos out, I had a couple other products that I use, namely, for example, the Boreal Jetsa and then the Aqua Comb. Well, this one is a new product similar to those things called the BAM, the Filter Flosser. Now, basically, exactly what it is, it's kind of like a big Aqua Comb. It's kind of like a cross, I'm going to say it's kind of like a cross between the Aqua Comb and the Boreal Jetsa. The links will be down in the description or at the end of the video. So if you want to check those out. But this is better, mainly because it's wider and it does the same job as the other ones, but it's wider. So you could do the filter literally, it says saves 50% of the time, and you're not lying. Because normally it takes me about, I'm gonna say 15 to 20 minutes for me to adequately do all four of these filters with either the Aqua Comb or the Boreal Jetsa. I literally just did that in like 7 minutes, all four of these bad boys with this. So let's just get into it. Basically, when it comes just attached to this with two little the plastic straps holding this to the paper, and that's it. But this is the front of the paper. Bong, just so you can see it really well. Powerful, it is powerful. Efficient, huge space-saving cleaning area. Save 50% water, time, and mess. Removable handle fits. And here's the back. Basically, it just lets you see how to use it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You should be able to figure that out, no problem. Some more artwork. There goes 800 number. You know, like when they put a customer service number directly on the paperwork so you can find it. And there goes the barcode and the QR code if you want to scan that, see where it takes you. But boom, caution, keep out of reach of children, made in China like everything else. So let's take a look at it, even though you already seen it. I already used it. I like the color of it. It's chrome. I believe it comes in two colors. I believe it's chrome and black. It has your little on-off switch here. You can tighten up the nut right here. This can turn around also. You can turn around any which way you want to go. There's your little logo on there. Nice rubber handle on there for grip. Here's where all the water comes out of there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 holes there. 17 or 18, I could have off counted. So it's pretty simple design, and it works. So let me give you a little demonstration real quick, even though I just cleaned out my my filters here, but you know, I'll do it again so you can take a look at it. Turn it on. Oh wait, I gotta turn this part on back here now. So just so you get an idea of the power, it's halfway across the pool. And then all that surface area, look at that. Nice and simple. And you're giving all those jets all up in there. You're literally combing the filter out. Like I said, you're not really seeing much crap come out because I literally just did it. But or if you want to do it from a distance, you can do it like that if you want. Just hold it down. Works same way. This is the truth right here. I really like this. I'm glad I got this. Now, in the perfect world, the price for this was like 20 something bucks. Maybe if the price was $5 less, it would be perfect. But I mean, it's still worth it because, I mean, like I said, I went from 15 to 20 minutes for all four of these cartridges down to like 7-8 minutes. So if your time is valuable, then the current price for this is worth it. However, I mean, if you found one used like new or used in good condition for a good chunk off, I would buy that one because it's gonna be, I can't see how you could have ruined this, and you know, you can make this to the point where it doesn't work. There's no moving parts really other than this right here. So definitely cop this. Link will be down in the description. With that being said, I'm Nez, and this has been the impromptu review of the, what's the name of the company there? It's M-I-K-I-S-E, McKees. I guess McKees Filter Tools. Mike India Kilo India Sierra Echo, the filter flosser, ultimate filter cleaning tool. I'll drop the link for this down in the description. Definitely cop that, and I'm out this piece.